guys, today I'm going to show you how I did these nails. They look a little more detailed, but they're actually very easy to do. So if you want to see how I did them, just keep watching. So I've already prepped the nails and put the tips on and filed the tips. So here I'm just putting primer on, and I'm putting two different primers on like I usually do. After that, I just put a base gel layer on, and this layer is very thin. Here I'm just putting white glitter all over the nail, and I'm putting kind of not a thick layer but enough to make it cover the nail. And on this nail I'm putting red glitter and I'm fading it downwards because I'm gonna put white glitter that fades over the red. And on this nail I'm just putting red glitter all over the nail, just like I did with the white glitter. Here I'm just putting a little bit more red glitter after I've cured the first layer of red glitter because I felt like it needed that. And then I'm putting red glitter nearest the cuticles, I guess, and I'm fading it downwards or like upwards, I don't know. And here's the step I was talking about. I'm putting white glitter over the red glitter and I'm fading it downwards, you will see. And I love this look. It's so cute. And because the white glitter has some orange pigments in it, it really blends in very nicely. I'm doing the same thing here. I'm putting white glitter over the red glitter, and the reason why I put white glitter over the red is because red is more like a dark color, so if I put that over, it won't look as nice. And this nail will only be red, so I'm putting red glitter all over the nail. When I'm done with all of the nails, like I put the glitter on and I made my design that I want, I put Builder Gel over to cure or to secure the glitter and to make that nice shape. And now I'm filing the nails, I'm shaping them, and if you don't do this after you put your Builder Gel on, I suggest you do it because it makes a huge difference. They look so much more smooth and they have this nice curve. They're not clumpy, they're not bumpy, they're not anything, so they will just look nice. And when I'm done cleaning them, I just wipe the dust off and I put the top coat on. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I love this step, especially when you do glitter nails, because this reveals the final results. When I've cured the top coat, this is what they look like. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.